There is little doubt that mobile phones have become the standard for personal communications. In the UK, there are 74 million phone subscribers, but only 61 million people. It's 1.2 phones for every man, woman and child in the UK. So with such a massive platform, what's important for small to medium businesses and indeed enterprise customers is how can they communicate with their customer base in this new medium. What we do at Huetouch is provide a complete end-to-end mobile marketing strategy. We believe that there are three key elements to any mobile marketing process: acquisition, information, and then development. At the acquisition stage, it's using the best of mobile technology to gain a new relationship with a customer. One of the technologies we often deploy in this scenario is Bluetooth proximity marketing. We're a leading specialist in the UK. With Bluetooth marketing, you can push out messages with permission-based marketing and offer people an invitation to begin a dialogue with a brand or a company. It may be that you're delivering onto mobile phones an application for weather services. It may be that you're delivering onto mobile phones a voucher or a cinema ticket. So the acquisition process through Bluetooth marketing means that you don't need to have personal details, telephone numbers, email addresses. The acquisition can happen through the use of Bluetooth proximity. Equally, we have SMS on-demand services where people may use a text-back function to request information, thus starting a dialogue with a brand. So mobiles can be used in the acquisition stage very, very effectively. What we also want to do, though, is use mobile phones as a communications medium to be able to inform people about companies' offerings and what brands may have. And we have, again, a whole mix of different technologies to bring mobile into the information on-demand arena. One of the key elements that we have is a Bluetooth on-demand kiosk that we've developed in-house. This enables a user to simply tap their phone onto a kiosk to receive free information. We envisage seeing these in retail outlets and supermarkets and already have a number of deployments in hotels. Equally, we may be using SMS services or email to phone services where we're pushing out specific pieces of content to mobiles. Again, understanding that a mobile phone or a smartphone is now the preeminent way that people want to receive communications. A study that we commissioned with Birmingham University really backed this up, that the people between the age of 18 to 29 see the phone as the key element to where they want their personal information, their movies, their photographs, their data, their email, all to converge onto one device. So we have acquisition through technology to mobile phones. We have information on demand using Bluetooth kiosks and SMS to mobile phones. And then finally, we want to develop a relationship. And what Huetouch have done is launched a white label product set to be able to develop iPhone apps, BlackBerry apps, and Java apps for the rest of the platforms to integrate the investment that companies have made with their websites and bring that investment onto the mobile phone through applications. So by using applications, we can see a real development of customer dialogue and acquisition. What I'd like you to do is explore our website at huetouch.com and just have a look at the various elements we have for the technologies that enable a dialogue on mobile phones, from Bluetooth proximity marketing, Bluetooth on demand, SMS on demand, SMS push. We have emails to broadcast out specifically to mobile phones. We have footfall monitoring and dwell time monitoring using Bluetooth, and a whole range of other elements, including our application suite for both iPhone, BlackBerry and Java apps. I encourage you to have a look at this because we passionately believe at Huetouch that the mobile market is the future. We don't believe we're going to wake up next week with everyone with a hangover saying, do you remember those mobile phones? We believe that it is the architecture for personal communications for the next 10 to 20 years. At Huetouch, we have applications that enable any business to deliver a mobile solution to their customer base so they are better informed and more culturally relevant to their own clients.